So for my biofuel, I chose ethanol. So what is ethanol? Ethanol is a renewable fuel that can be made from different plant materials, and it's also known as biomass. It was synthetically prepared in 1826 by Henry Hennell, and it's also a form of alcohol used as blending with gasoline. How it is produced. The common method to convert biomass into ethanol is fermentation. And during the fermentation, microorganisms metabolize plant sugars and produce the ethanol. They are mostly made from plant starches and sugar, and the main one is cornstarch. And then here I just provided a picture. The development status. It is widely available, and in fact, it contributes to 65% of the biofuels. The first gen production from sugarcane, corn, and also the beet sugars, it was implemented at an industrial scale. But the second generation is currently still development stages, and they're looking for different alternatives according to each region under the study. And then here I just included a diagram over the worldwide production. So the impact of ethanol. Overall, ethanol has had a good impact because through ethanol there's been less CO2 that has been released, and it's also brought many job opportunities in rural areas, and at least 24% more carbon intensive than gasoline. The efforts to communicate use of ethanol to public. Ethanol reduces greenhouse gas emissions because the grain used to make ethanol absorbs carbon dioxide as it grows. And it also depends on the feedstock and production process. And it burns more cleanly and completely than gasoline or diesel fuel. So for the plan of action, because it's a really great source, the next best thing would be to make vehicles go electrical. And since cost wouldn't be a problem and it wouldn't affect it would be a really good plan. I just overall think it'd be a very big jump, and I don't feel that everyone would agree with it, so it would just be over time, but it would positively impact the environment. And then here's my worksite page.